Coleslaw, bread, fork. He raises his hand. Come on. Same. What's up, guys? So today we're having Raising Cane's. It's not 11 o'clock. I didn't just get home from Disneyland. I'm not wrecked and tired. But anyway, I'm not going to let this go to waste. I just put fruit punch in here. This is lipstick, so don't be thinking I'm dirty. But, you know, it's a video game on back there. We're not tripping. Jalapeno and a serrano, just in case. Habanero. I got a side of Texas toast, but the Durf ate the other one already, so it's not a side anymore. I got the 6-piece chicken tenders, chicken fingers, and it has fries. It comes with coleslaw. I got an extra, what is this called? Cane sauce? It comes with 2, and I bought one more because it's so good. I've only had this once, the sauce. Here, you can have a tender too.
Thanks.
He's having a huge sandwich over there, but you know, we're not tripping.
Walmart.
Oh yeah, no, that's from Winco. It's Italian. It's Italian spicy. No, not spicy Italian. Something Italian sub.
Deli sub.
There you go. That's what he's having. Finished my soda driving, so I just put fruit punch. All right. This sauce will change your life, okay? When I first had this, like, what was it? May 11th? May 10th? Yeah. May 10th is when I had this. I was like, it's alright. But that sauce, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna try. Hunter.
Yeah.
The fries are really good. They're alright. They're not salty. They're not salted. Salted? Salted. Yeah. They're not salted. Chicken, on the other hand. It's like the perfect plain chicken. Huh? It's not overcooked. It's juicy. I really do like it. The fries are whatever. But the sauce, I think that's why people go back, huh?
Ooh, that's hot.
You bit the hot part.
You're saying no, you bit the hot part?
Yeah, you bit the hot part. Bomb. Okay. The coleslaw is just coleslaw. Let's see. Let's see if it's different. When I got it, it was like 1 in the morning.
Yeah, it was like 1.
When I went, it was popping, and it was 1 in the morning, and it was a Thursday night. Thursday night? Wednesday night. One of those.
Wednesday.
Today it was like after work, huh? That was ice.
I need some more of that Mr. Kane sauce.
He finished one thingy already. Anyway, next time I'll get more. Well, let's see how it comes out if I make it, huh? That's the fridge. Fill in the ice trays. Ice thingy. Dude, I'm so hungry. You want some of this? Some drink? This time they're like smaller, huh? Last time they were ginormous.
why not look at the camera and smile?
It's a little late. I've been eating my food. Dude, I'm inhaling this food. I can feel it like...
The sandwich is almost gone.
What?
The sandwich is almost gone.
Oh, was it the whole thing or did you cut it in half?
Just 3/4 of it.
Whew! These chiles been hitting lately. Huh.
You've been getting real ones.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. I took chiles to Disneyland. And they were hot.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
I want to see you eating.
I took 2 or 3 bites and I was like, woo!
Oh, okay.
I think the 4-piece is $7.30 for the meal. So coleslaw, bread, fork, chicken fingers, and fries, and drink. I think that's a good value. But I got the 6 to share with her. If he wanted some. Want chicken? Do you hate 2 of these little thingies? Oh my goodness. So good, huh?
Mm-hmm. So what are your do's and don'ts of Disneyland?
Do get a fast pass to your favorite ride as soon as you get there. What would be a don't for you? Oh, that pack. Oh, okay.
Don't go to Disneyland on a 2-hour sleep.
We all only slept 2 hours and then went to Disneyland. By what time? We got there at 9:30.
We woke up at 6 or 5.
But we got there at 9:30.
Mm-hmm.
What time were we, like, lunch?
Right after lunch, you got
1 o'clock. 12:30, 1 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
He was just a walking zombie. Me, I was falling asleep before that. Like, right at 12, I was, like, on a ride.
On the Jungle Cruise.
Mm-hmm. What time did we leave? 5?
5 o'clock.
We left at 5 o'clock. Who leaves Disneyland at 5 o'clock? He raises his hand. Come on. Same. We were so tired.
Yeah.
Everybody was, though.
Yeah. On the ride home.
They were good.
Sleep.
Mm-hmm. Then I ran and got this, and here we are.
There was another don't.
Do not forget the sunblock, because it'll cost you $12.
Oh, another one.
Do not forget Band-Aids.
And do not predict the weather.
Oh my god. My kids all went, well, everybody went in the summer, huh?
Yeah.
We get there, it's all gloomy. We're like, what the? It was 90 where I live, and we were like, it was 66 when I got there. Get this? I'm not gonna finish this. For sure. This? I don't want it. Here's the bread person.
I love me some carbs.
He likes his carbies. You want a chicken?
Yeah, I'll take a chicken.
Do you think Raising Cane's is something different? Like, it's its own man?
Only the sauce is its own man. Everything else is exactly the same as anywhere else.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Man. So just go to Raising Cane's and get yourself some sauce?
Yeah, just buy it in bulk.
Be like, can you fill this cup with sauce and charge me accordingly? They're all 1, 2.
Yeah, because this chicken tastes like
Chicken?
I don't know, Albertsons. Yeah.
I don't know about that.
KFC, the chicken tenders, those.
I've never had them.
I mean, the chicken itself is not unique.
And the fries are not salted.
Not your fault.
But I mean, they don't have to be salted because you're dipping in that awesome sauce. I mean, coleslaw, whatever. The bread is good.
Oh, and what about the iced tea?
We had the iced tea last time. It was okay. It was good. You guys were like, but you guys don't drink unsweetened tea, you know? I do. I don't care. I'm actually full, bro.
Stop eating.
Huh?
Then stop eating.
Nah, I'm that full.
Got some drink? Drink?
Probably full because of the time.
It's almost midnight.
Yep. It's 11:40. Whew. Raising Cane's. Get the sauce. Huh.
Sauce is good.
That should be their, no.
Come get my sauce.
Anyway. Say bye, Durf.
Huh?
Say bye.
Oh, bye.
You're supposed to say bye, Durf.
Oh, bye, Durf.
You're funny. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know the color of your chonies and get you some sauce. Just the sauce. You can have all this at home. Frozen. Alright, thank you. Bye.